550, yeah, you know I'm going, gang, blowing that check like I do. Shot it, hold it, go, splat, killing that beef from the cup. I got that motherfucking wood, I got that motherfucking wood, yeah, I feel like food, you got the game, all on my foot, yeah, shawty get hurt, but she gon' get all of me clean, she gon' do all of the split, we gon' take all of the dope, we gon' take all of the split, we gon' sell all of the hoes, we gon' sell all of the shit, I'ma go pass out the hoe, I'ma go pass out the meat, I smoke that motherfucking dope, you smoke that motherfucking meat, bitch I can't hop in the car, she got her crop a little bread, she got her rock with the stars, shawty you cannot get in, shawty got spotted with me, shawty she know she a 10, I got a farm on my horse, shawty gon' hold it, she rally, shawty gon' hold it, she rally, shawty gon' 3550, yeah, you know I'm going, blowing that check like I do, shawty gon' hold it, she gon' splat, killing that beef from the cup, I got that motherfucking wood, I got that motherfucking wood, I feel like food, you got the game, all on my foot, shawty get her know I'm going, she gon' get her blowing that check like I do, she gon' do all this shit, we gon' take all that nigga beef from the cup, we gon' take all that shit, we gon' sell all that nigga, we gon' sell all that shit, I feel like food, I'ma go back to the hoe, all on my foot, I'ma go back to the shawty get her know I'm going, she gon' get her blowing that check like I do, she gon' do all this shit, we gon' take all that nigga beef from the cup.
It's Crossfinger, baby.
No, I can't fuck with bitches. Last time my heart got stitches. I've been thinking about cooking at Smithin'. I be trying to tell her I'm different. Like, baby, why don't you just listen? Fuck my ex, yeah, I'm sticking to chicken. Got your name on my heart, it's embedded. I'm letting you go, yeah, I said it. Your new nigga could get beat with the knot. Yes, I'm a pain, my heart is a shot. For you, I was gonna let it flock. Letting you go, yeah, I'm letting it rock. Let a nigga try me get beat out his socks. She said, Brian, I'm done. Sauce a grip, put four in the cup. I wanna fuck, just give me the suck. One of these days, I'ma run out of luck. Don't be saying that I had all your love. That shit is a bluff. Use the one that I wanted to cuff. Puff, puff, but I don't pass. Stick to this money, I stick to the cash. I'm just trying to get rid of my past. You said that you love me, I was going your last. Now look at me breathing this gas. You said that you love me, that's cat. I can't talk, so I speak in these raps. Got my heart on lock, I ain't never gonna lack. Once I'm up, you gon' be on my sack. Never going back, that shit is too whack. All these bitches, they wanted my snap. All that love shit.
유겐, どこにいるの?
ass in the summertime. And them boy fucking with. I need to get to my beach. You know that jumping on me. You know that jumping on me. I get that motherfucking lit. Double C all on my sheet. Yo, she come in my beach. Christian Dior on my sheet. Shawty gon' fuck on my drip. Shawty in love with my drip. I get that drip, you get drip. 220 all on that red. I get that drip, you get drip. I'm for that bitch, I'm a pimp. I'm a little boy, we not simp. I'm for that bitch, she get big. We ain't that big with no teeth. I'm in the hood when niggas don't bother me. 3500 my cardigan. Shawty gon' fuck, shawty gon' swallow me. Shawty gon' get on top of me. I did his ass in the summertime. And them boy fucking with Cardinal. I'm in the hood when niggas don't bother me. 3500 my cardigan. Shawty gon' fuck, shawty gon' swallow me. Shawty gon' get on top of me. I did his ass in the summertime. And them boy fucking with Cardinal. I would take breaks, but I'd rather move forward. I done been chewed up, spit out, kicked out, let down, but I'm still a motherfucking soldier. So fuck what you told me if you show me different. Fuck what you show me if you can't listen. I know that actions speak louder than words. The thing about change ain't never consistent. I ain't got paid more than I paid attention. I didn't feel pain more than I like to mention. Hard on my sleeve till it's left on the curb. When I smoke this herb, I can't make a decision. You niggas be bitches, you bitches be hoes. You switching up more than you switch your clothes. I push that white till I get it in gold. And light up that heat when the nights get too cold. The only thing keeping me up from the nose, besides all the bread I'ma make from these shows. My life going fast and I like moving slow. And I've been on no for 5 days in a row. I might fly away. Yeah, yeah. I might fly away. Yeah, yeah. I'll be fine today. Yeah, yeah. I'll be fine today. Yeah, yeah. I might fly away. Fly away, go fly. I might fly away. Fly away, go fly. I'll be fine today. Fine, you gon' be fine. I'll be fine today. Fine, you gon' be fine.
It should be 7 right here. 1, 2, 3. What's your pay? What we got here? Fucked up nigga, I want your pity. How you doing today, Robin? I'm doing actually good. And yourself? Woke up getting ready to trade. Waiting for the boys to join the Discord. So I'm forgetting something. I said this trade could come down. It's a nice trade. Oh yeah, that's all I was forgetting on music. Go with Jimmy. Alright. I trade Forex on my live account. But I did start off trading Forex. Damn. Let me see. Appreciate that. I think the sound quality, mic, what is that? Damn. So I probably actually need a mic. Oh, you got the mics? Damn. It's just now hooking them up. Apparently the sound quality sucks. It's not too good. Yeah, got somebody in the chat helping me out. But now, Robin, I was a Forex trader, but still I am Forex trader. I just trade gold on. I'm trading the futures gold on with these prop firms. Sure, it just depends. If a setup comes, I'll probably take a Forex trade. Let me see. We haven't even checked out Forex pairs in a minute. Damn, I wish. Let me try to. Let me see. I gotta see. Pass me info. Damn, I'm trying to see the freaking. Hold on. Where'd I go like Benny? From New York City. But I live in Atlanta, Georgia.
What up, dog?
Oh, Marcus, what up, brother?
Still feeling like shit, but we're back to charting and trading. I missed my end. Not really. I'm not even saying this entry. I think I'm beginning of the trade.
Oh, what? NQ?
Yeah.
Marcus always trying to. You always. I think his mic is not connected properly. Hold up, let me check.
I can hear you fine, bro.
You said what, broski? Yeah, I started.
I can hear you fine, man.
Yeah. Noise has come. No, not that. Hold up. I'm live streaming on YouTube. I'm trying to start doing this every morning. You said what, broski? Yeah, I started. I can hear you fine, man. Yeah. Noise has come. No, not that. Hold up. I'm live streaming. Oh, that's why. Because it's coming out from my speaker. Damn. Headphones with. Wait, don't I got this right here. It's bougie, but it should work. I just need headphones with mics. There we go. Dang. I think now I gotta adjust the. There you go. Yeah, I got a good Robin, tomorrow the stream should be better. Hopefully the stream should be better. Hopefully. But yeah, we going in for a short. We do have like multiple rejection on the 5 minute. I want to see the break of structure. I think I should just lower the risk to try it out for the first time. I think we'll do that. Go to micros. Yeah, you can see when I come to the micros, I see these weird massive spikes. But let's test it out from right here. We'll do it 3. If it just decides to fake out 3 micros. Appreciate that. Robin, damn, hold up. Alright, let's try 5. Let's do 5. We got like 15 minutes to opening. Wait, Marcus, why you always be trading before opening price?
That's the time zone that kind of works best for me because I can actually focus fully on it. Asia
Oh.
and London move pretty nicely and stuff as of lately. So they're good to get my levels on. And there's just times that I'll do my charting this morning. I think I got done charting around 4:30. And in my plan and stuff, it was starting to play out and stuff by a little after 5. So I was like, fuck, I gotta start watching this stuff because my plan is what I was watching for.
Word.
So.
Nah, makes sense. You a full-time trader? Yes, full-time trader. We're on here, Asian, New York, and not London though, not London. I do need some rest time. Ooh, we start selling. And we take it all the way down here on the daily. Left a nice little daily freaking wick.
So we got a power.
Oh yeah, Powell at 10. That was I seen that. I was kind of like concerned because I'm like, damn, I am trying to trade Dow and Q, get like, you feel me, just to get my little. But at least NQ is not up 1% today. And Dow, I'm actually liking the Dow consolidation. Yeah, we've been chopped since opening. We got a nice little 15-minute chop. We really close below my key levels. So probably 9:30 we'll wait for a reaction. Yeah, from now on just chilling with gold. Trying to see if we can make a quick. Damn, it could be. I might want to take this trade on the live. Let's see. When we get activated, we'll see how this trade plays out on the 15-minute. If I don't get activated on this 15-minute, these two fucking wigs. Okay, I'm tapped in. Not yet. I'm really tapped in already. One more push, we tapped in. Multiple rejection. I should have just got in early. Earlier. Bro, like Denny. Alright, we in shorts on gold. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, it came to my key levels. Let's see. Damn. In case we do reject, we're selling, right? We'll just take one off. I'll take two just to be safe. And we broke. Then double down right here. New 15. Alright, we got gold running right now. Let's see, Dow. What about the view, Dow? Longer term target. Dow. So with the way I do trade Robin, I do trade breakouts. So we could zoom out some. The majority of my chart analysis is just based off breakouts. So let me see. When 9:30 come, if you're still here, you're gonna see how I actually use the opening with the breakouts to basically get some profits going. Gold, what we doing? 5 minutes playing. We got off the break of structure just to be safe, right? Yeah, damn. This 15-minute got to create a top wick, but we don't want this 15-minute just to fully reject. So I'll do a 2. Yeah, because if this 15 rejects, it's an invalid drop. But if we hold, we can double down right here. And we could probably potentially double down right here again for the runner. Yeah, just to... Thank God I didn't put the 5 locks cons. Really got cooked. Alright, let's get back. Let's start breaking down Dow.
I'm looking at NQ. I would hope we kind of push down a little bit and stuff. Not to go against the bias if you're going short.
The last time I charted NQ was like 2 days ago. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. I think yesterday I was waiting for the NQ drops, but we didn't actually drop the way I wanted us to drop. Yeah, so it's like, I think that's why I didn't trade today. And we was chopping up before we started actually going up some. So we'll just see how, and we still got like what 30 minutes still opening. So we'll just see how everything plays out. Bro, dang. Started trading 2018. What happened? Hold up, streaming. Hold up. I'm saying hold up. Be right back. Alright, you can get up now. You can get up. But yo, Robin, you started trading. Yo, Robin, I got a guy in my chat started trading 2018. Damn, almost 10 years. Was it an on and off, or like you was just trading every single day and it's just not working out? If it's on and off, that's probably why it's taking you so long. Started trading 2023, right? Yes, sir, 2023. And I also got my fiance trading, or the wifey, whatever you call it. You dressed? All right. Let's get back to it. Gold with the reversal. All right, let me chart out Dow. Let's. Let me show you how I actually break down Dow before opening. So this we normally want to do the 5-minute. Always want to do the 5-minute or the 15-minute. Just as far as in like direction wise. If I didn't have this key level right here and this is just a fresh chart, I would not trade right now. I'll patiently wait. I will mark off these levels right here. We got lows and we got mid lows, and we got these highs. And just because we're still in pre-market opening, we're just chilling. Like, it's really this easy. Oh my gosh, from India. What? Yeah, gold is reversing. Gold is reversing. Alright, just to make sure we secure. Take 0 loss. The only reason I put stops to break even, 15-minute close bullish, but it didn't close above the previous 15, so we could get like some shit like this. Just because I know it would drop, I should be potentially waiting for something like this. Or like all the way here and then potentially dump. We'll see. We'll see how this plays out. But yeah, this potentially could get stopped out. Oh, that's the 5-minute. That's why. Wait. Yeah, that's the 15. I don't want the 15-minute to go anything above this levels, because this was the break of structure level. Alright, let's go back to Dow. Dow, the same, like, remember the same concept. 5-minute, the recent. You can predict, if you can see the lows, the mid levels, and the recent highs. And the same thing with NQ. Go to micro NQ. NQ got the same thing, but NQ's just been going up. Yeah, NQ's just been going up. Like I could mark right here off. Mark right here off. And we got this little line right here. So like if I was looking for a longs, I want price to come back here and then buy right here. But if I'm looking for shorts, what I basically want is price to fall down, come back up, try to retest these little highs right here, and then potentially break this structure right here, and we'll just tumble down here. I think this is 100 points too. Yeah, 100 points. So this is low key a good trade concept. Yep, my gold trade got cooked. Makes sense. Yeah, very low risk. 20 points to make 129. Ooh, in a single day. I think we got an account funded in a single day. There's different kinds. You can't really say the highest profit yet. it ain't like we're pulling up in land yet. You feel me? Not yet, not yet. The highest profitable single day, I'll say like 12,000, but that was just to get funded for like what, $200,000 account. Baby go. Yeah, you see we got this gold pumping up. This micros, right? So now yeah, I just want to see if price come up here, and then if price holds these levels right here, if it holds and rejects like this, then I can actually get into a sell right here. It'll be smarter to get into this sell than basically this breakup structure. Yeah, I took this sell, and realistically the short on this was the risk was very high. So if I want to dive down the risk, I can potentially just wait for this. And this will actually, but we still gotta wait. This just could be a retest and then shoot back down. It could be, because this is all we did. Easy chart pattern. We broke structure. We came down. We could retest this and plummet it down. So we just gotta see how everything plays out. Look, yep, with the retest, shoot down. How many stops is 3? I always like to take, my stop loss is always 3 points for safety. Wait, Marcus, you traded last night? Oh, Marcus muted. Yeah, sorry, brother.
No, I didn't.
Oh, perfect.
No, my car got fucked, so I was working on that last night. So I'm not sure if I'll work. I don't know if I'll be trading tonight either. Can you try to get that fixed?
You say your account got fucked, you said?
No, my car.
Oh, I see what you're saying. My boy was distracted. Well, y'all took a road trip?
Well, we took my girl's car and stuff for it, but we got some pretty heavy rain yesterday, and I had a pretty big puddle in my car yesterday.
Ooh.
And then it started like sputtering at me.
I know what you mean.
I plugged in my code scanner and I got a bunch of misfires going on right now. So I got my engine kind of stick down a little bit.
Ooh. How biggie, brother? And I tell you, I've been waiting for an NQ setup, but it's just
My phone died?
you soon
No, I'm just
early.
I was going to Texas.
I'm going to Texas from Vietnam to America to America. Babes, bro.
It didn't go, Bobby.
It didn't go. And I had a 5 con ready too. Yeah, I probably would have just seen $1,000, but I was like, not. Yes, we're on the uptrend. This right here, you see how I formed the M? This little wick right here, and you see how we broke that M? We're trying to break this uptrend on the 15. And if you look on the daily, right?
You already took that previous high.
Just look. Then we go on the daily, right?
Yeah.
There's not an uptrend, it's a downtrend. So I'm realistically targeting these lows.
Oh, it's the uptrend.
It's uptrend on what time frame?
It didn't create a new higher. I mean lower low. It.
Babes, this is the so for right.
On the day.
The day. I want this daily candle to engulf this whole wick.
Right, and then it would.
It's two things, right? It could because that's how it's supposed. This is how gold always.
But it's already wicked all the way down there.
It hasn't. The daily wick, this red, has to engulf this whole wick right here.
Mate. That's you, not me. But I see what you're saying. I'm foolish.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Just in case the trade leaves me, I'm gonna put this sell stop at the bottom of the 15, just so I don't miss out on nothing.
Let's see. What am I trading today?
You said, what are you trading today?
Yeah, I gotta sit down and see.
Oh, you see, yeah, it was just a retest to those levels. So let's see if we get a good retest. I don't want to. No, I'm not gonna hop into a trade. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Let this hour close. I kind of knew it wasn't gonna go in my favor right away. We got all these little weird behind hourly top wicks. Come on, Dow. I ain't gonna lie, today might be a good day, man. Dow consolidated, and Q took off, and Q took off, and Q took off,
Again?
and Q took off. Dow has a nice little support and resistance.
I was waiting for short ones to see if
I was waiting on short on Dow yesterday, but
when it didn't happen, I had to get off.
yeah, me too. I think at 11 o'clock got off. I was like, damn. But now today, Dow, yeah, NQ already took off. I think NQ just left my key level. Oh, no. Yeah, NQ took off. The time was this 7 o'clock. We broke structure and started going up. Are you trading options? We don't trade options. The only reason why we don't trade options, the options leverage is very low. So if you trade, I think the highest leverage aspect to me would be futures, in a sense. Would be futures, then Forex. Options is all the way at the bottom. Like you're literally risking. I don't know. You're risking. The risk to reward is not. The risk to reward is there, but the leverage is not there for me. Not for me. US30 is just. I mean, Dow and Q's just going. Now we're gonna execute on a Dow trade today. Then we got Powell news at 10. And I say this week is just a survival week. If I can make like $4 grand today, that'll be kind of good. I think I just need like, yeah, I need $3 grand. And we got this 150K funded. Oof. You know what's crazy? Like when I was trying to get my $200,000 funding account, babes. Like the kind of trades I was pulling, yo, I'm telling you, it was like some high leverage, yeah, straight but it was gammies with a strategy and a game plan, but like the risk was like mad.
Yeah, it was no risk management.
There was not. There was just, that's the setup. Go. Full port that jump. Then when I got funded, when I got funded and I lost the account.
Yeah.
Then I realized, yeah, then I'm learning like, okay, beginner's luck. Beginner's luck.
Not even that, you just had a fail system. Like it wasn't like an actual plan.
Resistance. It is in a resistance level. Oh my God, look at you. You actually know what you're talking about. It is on the resistance level. That's what I was just looking at on a higher time frame. We're literally struggling.
Wait, quick question.
Talk to me, babes.
You was in a gold trade yesterday when you left here?
Yeah, I was in a gold trade yesterday.
Where did that go? Where did you take?
Take.
God, and you.
Yeah, just kept going.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so the gold trade that I took last night was for longs, and we ended up chopping all night long.
You didn't hold it?
Babes, the trade.
Did it take you out?
Yeah, the trade was. I came home and I took the trade out.
I thought you was trading at these.
When I came back home, my trade was still running, and when your mom needed help, I closed the trade. And remember when I told you like when my profits was just stuck? Yeah, my profits was just stuck. So when, yeah, that was that. So when I closed the trade, it just did what it had to do. But yeah, Robin, Dow is in a resistance level. That's why also realistically I'm looking for shorts. You feel me? On the take these would be nice for today, but let's see what market has to present itself. We got 28 minutes to market opens, and we shall execute. For right now, we'll just dibble dabble on gold. See, gold did exactly what I said it was going to do. Literally, should have held that trade. All right, now we got tap back in. Now we can just risk these levels right here, target these lows right here, and yeah. But we do have, damn, what's going on? Yeah, I do have another level right here. Might take partials again right here. Just, it looks like every time we come to a little, let's see. Nah, it could just go back. Let's see. Let's see. I needed to fully drive down. There we go. It's the 1 minute. There's another structure right here. We broke through, but we're playing. Damn, gold is doing one of those things today. See, there's no point of us coming back up. For 2 minute. Gold is playing. Alright, let's leave gold alone. We'll come back. We already have our risk. We're risking chump change. Dow is still holding levels, and Q is still pumping, I guess. Alright, 2 minutes. I'm not caring about the 2 minute, my fault. The 5 minute just opened up. So, I'm gonna come out the straight if this 5 minute engulfs basically massively. If I get a candle this high at 2, it would be an invalid drop. Just because we got these levels right here of supports. Got one here. We struggled to break here, which was the break. We broke through and a retest. So now when we come here, which price is going, let's see how it plays itself. We're gonna have one buy limit right here, close some out. Gold 5 minute is pulling. We're coming to my real key level, realistically. The realest, the chillest. Damn, 5 minute is not doing what I wanted to do. Give it a breather. Oh snap, here we go. Doing what we don't want it to do. Oil also chopped up. Alright, so now that we have this 5 minute top wick, the gold is not playing out how I wanted to play out. Yeah, now that we got this 5 minute wick, we want to see after this close out, after this trade close, then we can move our stops just to make sure we don't lose too much. And it'll be the same game plan that you would do when you have a very massive leverage. Like, yeah, you can risk. Like, let's say I want to go into a 5 contract and I just want to risk the whole 1200. Damn, but some more ones. So now I got stops above that 5 minute candle wick. And all I want to see now is just straight drop. TP's for 500. I think it's TP's like what? 700? Yeah, 760. Let's see. But we also got power speed consumed, so it might be another red flag. And the only reason we're not breaking straight away because of these levels. And that's the only reason why I dropped my stops, in case we basically reject this right here again. You see how hard it is for this 5 minutes to just break above these levels, because this buy limit is really at the bottom of these at this little support zone. Then we have one more where we could potentially reject off of. But let's see, let's see. I'll be so impatient for Dow. Alright, we broke through. Now we have another one right here. But we should get a bunch of resistance, which we are getting. We have 2 points. I ain't even gonna lie. I think I should have just left the 5 con. Damn. Been up 2,500. It is what it is. We did say low risk. Alright, we broke through perfectly. Now we got stops. New levels. The 1 hour dump. Yeah. So now, basically, if I get stopped out, what could potentially happen is, you see how gold's been creating these wicks. It could potentially reverse, try to create another long wick, and then eventually probably reverse and go back down. But we just broke these levels on the hourly. Yeah, we literally just broke these levels on the hourly time frame, and that would have been another double down for me. But we chilling, we chilling. I should have high risked this trade. $2,500. I'd have been $1,000 away from my goal. But Dow is gonna make us all the money we need today. Oh yeah. Literally, that's what I was saying. The pullback. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, we didn't. We only wicked the break of the support level. Yeah, we could get cooked. We could get cranked. Well, hold on. We're taking a little minor risk. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, if we can just break these support levels right here, then we'll have another support level right here that we'll be fighting to break. Ooh, we just broke through. And we'll have another one at the bottom. We up a huncho. Wait, I think I already closed one, so we don't really care about that anymore. Let's see if we go hit TP. If not, what you trading, babes? Oh, nothing. Oh, forward testing.
Huh?
Forward testing.
I didn't really see anything. I'm looking at oil.
She's looking at oil. Let's see. Let's check out oil. I haven't even marked off oil. Let me check oil on my trading view. Yeah, oil is consolidating right now. If it breaks those levels below, it could be nice.
She's
See
at
you.
32, at 62,
Mm-hmm.
and continue to go long. But this previous day candle is massive.
Oh, the guys is here
For what?
for the
Oh,
floor. Then we could close like
yeah,
2.
it's all David.
We could close 2. Let's see. What are we doing? What are we doing? We're selling, so we'll close 2. Take partials. And the only reason I'm taking partials is we're in. This is a support level, another support level. We're inside 2 support levels. And if this 5 minute decides to reject right now, it makes sense because we do need to basically get some form of rejection right here or some form of rejection right here. So if this does reject, at least I secured some profits. It should be a reject to break even type here, to be honest. And as soon as we get this, because like I said, we did put Robin. You know what I'm saying? You've been here when I said price was gonna come up, come there, and come back down. So we got this right here checked off. We got that checked off. That gave me what? 4 points. It literally gave me 4 points. That's not bad. With a very high contract, I would have made bank. So now that I got that out the way, and I see this 5 minute is about to really just reject, I'll go into 1 minute. Yeah. So there's two things that could really happen right now. My break even could just be it could be a bad thing because this is what could happen. It could just be this right here. We're creating we're creating lower highs. We started here, low high, low high. Wait. Yeah, low high, low. Yeah, this is the new low. We just haven't created a high, which would potentially be the retest right here. So it'll be like, come on, low, high, low, little high. We'll take this little low right there. So if this is it right here, that'll be perfect. Then we could potentially go right here. And this is what we call a downtrend. And remember my wife came here, she was like, oh, gold is bullish. Blah, 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 blah. You know what I'm saying? Don't listen to her. Just kidding. Babes, look at that. Look at gold on the hourly. I'm on the daily. About to engulf this. And I ain't gonna lie, last night I seen the short because I think I hopped into the shorts knowing gold is going to sell. So yeah. Wow, gold demand zone 5 minute. Nah, it's crazy, but I'm telling you.
We have 3 rejections up here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. We had those 3 rejections up there, then the break of structure accord, then the retest of break of structure accord. Then now I've been in a trade. I've just been taking partials here and there. Should have never set my first trade to break even. Would have been cooking. So yeah, no risk, no reward. And to be honest, yo, Robin, I'll be honest to you. Like, as soon as we break these levels right here, get to this key level, we could potentially have something like this, right? As soon as we get down here, we could potentially come up here to one of these little support levels and then keep plummeting down. But that just depends on how far the daily wants to drop. We do have Powell speaking today, so it's just little key things that we have to basically pay attention to. And yo, what's up, chat? Well, we got 3 viewers. That's what's up. What up, everybody? We're trading gold for right now.
Gold's about to fake you out and go long.
Yo, my biggest hater, bro. Yo, I know gold's about to fake me out. I've just been saying that. We have what's it called? We have support levels if you look towards the left.
As soon as Powell speaks, it's
Oh, so you saying when Powell speaks, I'm cooked?
Yeah.
I give you that's 10 o'clock though. I'll give you that.
Coming.
It's coming. But I've already secured some profits because, like I said, let me see. From my original entry, 8 points, and my normal point target would be 10. Could have made almost 5,000.
Your normal target is 8 points. I
No.
thought it was 10 points.
I'm saying my fault. My normal target is 10 points. Normal target is 10 points, but gold just did.
Yeah, sometimes gold will give you 9 or 8.
There we go.
It'll just get so close to 10.
Get so close to 10 and
It'll just reverse.
literally, like I was up $4,000 instead of me just closing it. Ended up losing 1,500. She was sad.
Damn.
But now that we've built, you know what I'm saying, a system, everything's working out. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh
I literally predicted the rejection off the middle. What time is it? New 15 minute just opened up. I could be good. Let's see. I could be good. If price doesn't touch these levels, I could be good. Then we'll double down.
So you're at break even, or are you still taking that?
Oh no, that's trade. Yeah, that trade is still at break even. But we started off with 5. We've cut a lot off. Now we at break even. But like I said, I still see this going down. I'm just trying to just basically not. The only reason why I'm trading the way I'm trading, if you look at the hourly on gold, like look at the last couple hours, we have that massive wick to the up, and you know what I'm saying. So it's just like I know gold is not just gonna like fall right away, just based off the last 3 hours, previous 3 hours. So that's the only reason why I'm trading the way I'm trading. It's like I'm adapting to what the nonsense gold is doing. You got to, you really got to. If not, gold's gonna whoop your like.
Oh
Gold don't play. Let's see, Dow. We got 10 minutes to open it. So far, this is what I got planned. Wait, Marcus, you say you were looking for shorts on NQ? Maybe assemble the boys. Wait, gold is still holding. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, the 15 minute is holding. Let's go. All right, let's see. We're gonna double down on this. Wait. Double down on the 15. It sounds good.
not seeing anything that I
Lie. You know when you don't see anything that you like in the market, BTC gives
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin gives Woo! Excuse me. Let's see. Bitcoin. I haven't really traded. Dang, yo, Bitcoin, babe. Look at Bitcoin. Uptrend. Hey, just look at it in your charts. That joint just on a 30 minute. Ever since the nah, I think the war was like what last week with the missiles. Whenever the missiles started, I know it was a massive dump. All as soon as price touched, because I had a key level at 99,000, and I was just telling my boy D2 this like, yo, buy you an account, trade Bitcoin. And I told him, bro, you'd have been up yesterday. I was like, bro, you've been up like $5,000, 7,000. Yeah, Bitcoin's going right now.
It's very clean price action as well.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, oil got very clean price action. But oil has not been trading the way I wanted to trade recently. Now NQ is tweaking right now, bro. I swear. Nice. Yeah, NQ is just tweaking. So if we're gonna go short today, oh snap, gold's about to get cooked.
Distraction.
I ain't distracted.
Oh,
I already seen this coming on gold, just on a smaller time frame. I was prepared for this. I don't mind getting cooked. There we go. We out. We got cooked. And the only reason I got cooked is to see this 30 minute is leaving us stupid. You just gotta adapt to the market conditions, man. When you start to adapt, everything starts playing out perfectly. Like I seen this coming, but I thought it was gonna happen when we got to this first key level, and potentially like done that. But no. But we can still react on gold. We can still react on gold. We have levels that we're paying attention to. Let me see. Gold. Yeah, we can still react to gold. Just gotta be patient. Now, what I want to see right now is price come here, back up here again. at that first rejection and then plummet back down. But if we plummet back down now, which is looking like we are going to keep plummeting down now, it would make sense too, because we have this. What's that? Nah, who you telling, yo? Who you telling? But we're not mad. Do not get upset. Do not get upset. Do not get upset. It's like this. But at the same time, right? Because when I put my stops to break even, you see, um, let's say I'm gonna just give you quick ones and twos. This was the breakup structure. This left a little wick at the bottom, and the pump back up to the breakup structure level, which was a retest, and then we plummet down. So we did test that level one time, came down, and I thought this level was gonna test right here and then reverse, but it's not. So it's just patience. It could reverse right here, and if it reverse right here, it was just because of this little wick right here, these little wicks. But you can never predict how high these wicks is gonna go. So don't let it fool you. But always still go to the 30 minutes too. Look at the 30-minute. We have a massive wick gap right here. Don't forget we was in all the way right here. We've already capitalized on all of this. And if it was a very high risk trade, I'll be up like just $1,000. Just playing the same game I'm playing right now. But we didn't go high risk. The only reason we're not high risk trade, damn, look at that 3-minute. Literally just, it could just plummet now. This is it. It could just plummet now. I didn't predict this big wick. I didn't predict that at all. Damn, yeah. And don't forget, this is just a downtrend. You see? Now we just retested these levels, and now we have to break here. Oh my God, look how perfect that dome is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Dow. Let me go mark up the big boy on Dow. I was already marked off. For shorts. We'll be looking for shorts. I think below this level or below this level. One of them. We still got like 5 minutes.
Yeah, I want to try to get in right now.
On what? On gold? For the what? The longs? You going the opposite way on me.
Yeah, I feel like I always do too.
You always
A
do.
lot of the times. Oh wait.
Alright, come on now. Let's do it.
No,
I'll go short. I'll go short right now. You go.
It's not time. It's not time.
I'll go short right now.
Not yet.
I'll put my stops to this recent, but like I said, it'll be a very risky trade.
Dude, why are you trying to gamble on me?
Nah, I'm not trying. I'm playing with you.
Man, want me to wait 5 minutes, mate?
Yeah, 5 minutes to opening. So what I'm gonna do is this. Let me have my Dow on the other screen. I'm gonna have regular Dow right here. So I'm gonna execute the actual big contract right here. You guys not gonna be able to see it, but you're gonna see it just based off the money that's gone. But I'm gonna same trade. I'm gonna bust on the Dow. Let me see. This is Dow. Yeah, the same trade I'm gonna get on my actual Dow trade. You're gonna see right here with the micros. I'm gonna have micros and actual contracts running at the same time. But I'll share. I normally like to just chart down on the micros and just go to the. You see, like I'll chart down on my micros, but I'm actually busting trades on my actual cons.
I really just want to buy a 50K one.
A 50K account makes no sense, babes. You want to know why?
Why?
You're gonna start losing. You're gonna start losing leverage.
Yeah.
Like, well, I'm saying if you want to lose leverage, if you want to go from $3,000 to $1,500, like then you can't be dropping your regular cons at all. Like, depending on your strategy and your system, you just like I said, You're going from you're just it's hard to explain, babe. It's hard to explain. Oh my gosh, gold flipped on the 15. Oh, it did perfectly. So this is another dang. This is another thing I like to do. When I see that 15 is about to engulf the wait, what time is it? Negative. No, no, no. Wait. Let's see. Let's see. We got 2 minutes. If we can get like a massive spike down and just close right here, it'd just be a nice little quick grab. Quick grab. Highly doubt it.
Oh, I can't do it on Brave.
Do what? Oh yeah, you can't pay on Brave.
She flipping.
Shoot, what's flipping? I told you. We should have both.
Wait, didn't I tell you? I literally just said I want to get in. I was like, I'll wait till
Short
9:30.
side. My boy Robin said short side.
I want to go.
Yeah. Now, Robin been here since the beginning. Said, hey, Robin. Marcus. My fault, Marcus. Oh, Marcus is gone.
He's like, Bobby grinding.
I gotta head to class, bro. Oh yeah. He's heading to class. I bet. Ignore gold. Are we ignoring gold? Are we ignoring gold? It's about to be the opening. Are we ignoring gold? How did I get tapped in? Don't even know. I got tapped in weekly. I bet we'll leave this alone. Alright, let's go to Dow. Market's about to open up. And yeah, market's about to open up.
I don't even know. Gold.
What the deli? Market's about to open up. It's Dow time. Wow, gold is going. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Oh, man.
Okay. Market just opened up. Are we gonna break these lows? I bet NQ just pumped, literally. I already knew NQ just pumped. NQ micros. Yeah, literally just pumped up. Let's see if we can get this drop on NQ. We can get the massive drop on Dow that I'm looking for. Dow micros. And then gold on a 30-minute is playing. All right, let's see.
I'm long on gold. I am long on gold.
I'm trying to short Dow. Oh, short some Bitcoin.
Oh, what did you put?
Yeah, I don't really trade Bitcoin like that. I trade Bitcoin on like a very higher time frame. On Forex though. Dan, don't tell me we just came to retest these levels.
Oh, that's it.
You forward testing, right?
Yeah.
No way. No way. Gold is going?
Not really.
Nigga. It's about to go. Gold is going.
Yeah.
Gold is going.
Wait a
Yeah,
minute.
yeah, that 30 minutes about to go. That 30 minutes about to go.
And that's why we don't do that. All right, back to the plan. Let me go back. We're here.
Come on, Dow. We just retested
Okay.
these levels from last night. Damn, was Dollar buy it long again, bro? Just because we've been pumping? Because if I go longs, we in a rosy. Only reason I'm seeing longs on Dow, because the last couple, we just been pumping on the daily. On the daily.
NQ so aggressive.
It's selling? Nope. I'm trying to take these Dow shorts. Are we longing today? And this is just
What the heck?
what?
Freaking gold.
Oh, yeah, gold's just chopping up right now.
Yeah, maybe bought that whole shit there. We're shorting.
Yo, price looked like yesterday's price. We open up, we get a very small behind movement.
Right, I really was like, need to wait till he gets this done.
But we retested these lows.
Yeah.
So what I'm seeing now is off the daily, just because we retested these lows. This was last night. This was London lows or Asian lows. Damn. I don't want to switch bullish that quick.
On NQ?
On Dow. On Dow, I don't want to flip bullish so quick. But it'll make it'll make sense to flip bullish just because of the off the daily. That's how's NQ on the daily looking. See, NQ is just going. Yeah, NQ just been pumping all. If I do the same thing as NQ, I have to potentially wait for the longs. Gold, oh wow, my gold trade is still rolling. Wow, gold trade is rolling, rolling. Yo, NQ is going. I didn't have a setup for NQ to even go on longs. What you going for? Longs again? Yo, you going for longs again? Again. I haven't even checked it. Let's see. Micros. Oh, I see your reasons. We're coming back to my second levels, support levels. That's why. See, thank goodness I came out. Yeah, this chart structure was not it today. It was not it. It was really not it.
That was the vibe. Wait, what's going on?
What the heck's going on? What's up? Chart.
Disconnecting. You know what, though? I feel like I should have waited for another, like, 5-minute candles or something.
Ooh. Oh, on gold.
Yeah.
You tried. How many times you tried on that long?
It's the second time.
Oh. Told you I should have just hit that. Nah, I'm playing. It ain't even went nowhere
No, I
yet.
should have waited until we got lower to go long. Like, closer to my rebound area or whatever.
Yo, NQ is just pumping. I wish I still trade NQ like that. Just keep pumping.
Just keep pumping. What do you do when you trade NQ?
And Q's going to pump, pump, pump. Yeah, gold is not golden right now. Yeah, and Q's still going up.
Well, what's this doing? Buy limit right here. I'll be using a buy limit, so
Damn.
wicked.
Yeah, I'm not on any social media platforms. I'm basically just be going live stream on here more often. We're trying to scale off from YouTube. Hold the iShow speed. Word, we scale off from right here. Cause I'm already doing this on the Discord. I'm live right now. Ain't nobody join. I got a Discord. Yeah, the Discord. Yeah, Discord community is not even all that. As long as you're here with me every morning, and I'm gonna try Asia session, but I don't know. Just depends on my schedule. Oh, Dal, are we going?
Just give me the line. Oh boy.
Whoo, almost got tapped in. Almost got tapped in.
Yeah,
Whoo. Not yet, not yet.
I guess I'll just go play some games. Wait for this to play out.
Not yet.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you. But now, however, yo, Robin, however, I think the more I start doing YouTubes and I'm gonna start clipping, my trades, like good trades that I'm actually here live streaming with. Yeah, we'll start YouTube, Instagram, all of that, but we gotta scale up from here first. We gotta scale from here. It all starts from here. New 5 minute. I'm kind of worried right now. Damn, we got tapped in.
Let's go. Come on, gold. I know you want to flip.
Ooh, come on, just go right away.
If it doesn't go right
I know if it doesn't go right away, it's not it. I already know.
That's pretty a good sign that it's not. But you never know. Sometimes. Yeah, I'm gonna put one contract on this.
Damn, it's going. I thought it wasn't going to go. It came out.
Are you on Dow?
Yeah, Dow. Yeah. But this drop is literally the daily. It's the daily preview. Low. Oh, we got 0 viewers. It's alright. We love it though.
We love it.
We had 3 for a minute and they left. Love it. Yeah, market conditions is not on my side.
Come on.
You got cranked.
Damn.
Yo.
$25.
Not bad. Yeah, I got cranked for 200.
What's happening?
Nigga.
full contracts over here. And you know, I ain't even save on no micro.
Suya.
Suya. Suya. You want some suya? Okay, juicy. It's juicy.
Oh,
They said it is not the day.
I swear, bro.
It's just on Wednesday sometimes.
I'm only up $100, bro. I remember days like that. Well, we only up like chicken change, and I'm like, nah, we keep going.
Nah, revenge.
And we be down so bad. Damn.
Chase, hungry boy.
As soon as my 5 con I didn't see like 600. I was like, damn, what kind of movement is this, bro?
Yeah. And you know, if you don't get that movement at the opening at 9:30,
Boy,
it's gonna come way later.
later. Oh, lost my viewers.
There was like, yep, he tried.
Nah, we gonna get some. I was fucking with it.
Now we gonna get some.
We gonna get it back. We gonna get it back. We only have one guy really chatting here. Boy from India. We can't hate. Should we try this short again? Nah, the 5 minute. That's
Not
right.
that good. You
Check
can move.
thing. Negative, negative, negative. Damn. Was Robin a long term?
Subscriber.
Let's do try one more time. And oh yeah, that's why we got all the gurus here. All the gurus is live.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I don't think we're gonna hit today.
It's just one of them.
Might just risk the whole profit.
I'm dead. Not that.
Might as well risk the whole profit.
No, but I don't do that. That's what the guy said.
Me.
I'm talking about someone else's. Dang, what, three points? I said reload it.
Long live
Valhalla.
To Valhalla. Wakandi.
It's doing that thing where like it just stops.
Oh. Yeah, this will be my last trade. What's Go doing? Alright, rejecting back up. Let's see. 10 o'clock is coming up soon. Power's about to speak. I think he's already like in the off like Powell. Let's see what
By raising rates. In fact, you were late to raise rates. And now, again, we see a situation where
Gentleman's time
you
is
are
up.
late to cut rates. That is the challenge here.
Gentleman yields back. Chair recognizes the gentleman from Georgia, Mr. Scott, for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Chairman. Chairman Powell, to the best of your knowledge, has
President Powell.
It's chairman. He's chairman. He's not president.
What the heck his name is? Come on, just activate me. Last trade of the day. And it's crazy because like it looks like my stream screen is not. I guess we got to go back to black because white does not look good.
I got detached. Fuck it. I got detached.
Kill the old self.
I can't be worried about the risk. Take the risk. You took the trade. Take the risk.
Yes, kill the old self.
But also,
Kill the old self.
should I not?
Gotta kill the old self, bitch.
If you hear
Chop that nigga neck off.
rejecting.
Chop that nigga neck off. Hit that nigga back off. Get off. If my trade's fulfilled now, bro, it was just the wrong. It was just timing. Let's talk about timing.
Yo.
Who that? Oh, J-Lo. Man of the hour.
What's up?
Not much. We're doing big teams today. Big teams. Oh, yo, babes, the trade starts to go. No. On Dow.
What's happening over there?
Oh my gosh.
No way. Don't tell me we're gonna look up now. After we just broke even.
Wait, did I just double down? Crap. Yeah, okay, I had to close the whole thing. Don't even know what the heck I did. I doubled down by accident. But yo, J-Lo.
Yo.
Man of the hour, bro. How we looking?
Hold on. What'd you say now?
I said the man of the hour, bro. How we looking?
Good. Trying to bust one trade and do my thing, bro.
Dang, Dow left me. Yeah, I think today's another. We'll see.
Yeah, I'm about to cut this now. This line for the profit. I should have caught it. But it was gonna fill up for me.
Yeah, he caught nothing. Caught nothing. Nope, reversed. Yeah, we doing big things, man. We start living on. We start streaming on YouTube. And yeah, that's it, bro. We live right now. We gonna start doing this every day. I had Buddy in here. I had like 3 viewers for like a good 45 minutes.
Okay.
Not too shabby.
Not too bad, bro. Let's start.
Yeah. We trying to start off. Look at that. Oh, we got one like too. I mean, we got a loyal viewer. This guy said he's been trading since 2018. Still unprofitable.
Think we're gonna break all time high today?
What are you talking about? NQ?
Like 200 points away.
Nah, F NQ. I ain't worried about NQ. I ain't worried about nigga. NQ just broke all time high.
Where did it?
When? Yes, it did.
All time high?
Bro,
All time high is at 22, 22,
bro, we at
868.
bro, we at all time high, bro. Bro, look at the weekly, bro, on NQ. We at all time high. Wow, that's why we just been pumping. NQ at all time high. See, I knew I wasn't tweaking.
I mean, look, are we looking at the same thing?
NQ, are you looking at Top Step daily, bro?
Yeah, yeah.
So you looking at okay, maybe on the futures. Let me see. Hold up.
Yeah, on futures, we haven't broke it yet.
Yeah, but we're all time high right now.
So that means futures should be catching up.
Oh, damn. Yeah. Futures gonna catch up differently, but yeah, price is already at all time highs. That's why we've been moving away. We're moving. It's just the futures NQ is just not at all time high yet. Cause that's what I started to figure out too on gold. Like the gold and the this future shit it becomes annoying sometimes. But yeah, NQ is going through what it's going through because yeah, NQ's at all time high, brother.
When are we gonna pump from here?
See, I had a good feeling too, cause I haven't, bro. When I tell you I haven't charted up NQ, I charted up today, very minimum, cause the chat wanted me to, so I just did that. I showed them little support levels, and I was like, look, if price can come all the way down here, then I'll potentially look for a reaction. But price just kept going up, so I was like, yeah, F that. Now Dow is not nowhere at all-time high yet. Yeah, Dow got a long way to all-time high.
I wonder when we're gonna go back to the previous openings.
Damn, so I need Dow to dump. I mean NQ to dump. Yeah, cause I'm like Dow is dumping, but NQ is pumping. I'm like, yeah, you see, if you didn't say that, bro, that's why. NQ at all-time high. That's why we've been playing. Bro, I haven't found a setup at NQ. I think all week, bro.
I found one Monday, but that was it.
Hold on, let me double check just to make sure. Micro NQ. Nope. Did we make it?
But I wonder if futures is lagging because if you're saying that it's already reached all-time high, then I'm wondering if we're going to.
Nah, it's not a lag. It's not a lag. It's because future, future and Forex is two different. It's two different things. It's the same thing, but like, it's hard to explain. It's like, I think it's hard to give you an example, because on last Thursday when I was down $2,800, I got cranked because I lost because I was not paying attention to, I guess, point of details. Like on my trading view charts, the price on gold on my trading view charts almost aligns up with Top Step, but every time I trade, I always just look at the XAU USD. Every time I trade. So Thursday when I was trading, but I was playing a game, I only had my trading view on because You feel me? Top step is just for execution. So how did this shit play out again? Yeah. So I'm looking at my trading view and I'm like, oh snap, we almost got wicked in. As soon as I switched into my top step, we're already wicked in, about to get cooked. And yeah. So it's like, how should I explain it? You know, because futures is different by itself, but like the price for futures, like QQQ and NQ and NAS 100, they all have the same price, but as far as in the chart patterns, is not the same. If you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like if NAS 100 is saying this, and you're looking at NQ, and you're just like, wait, we're like $10 off. That $10 or $15 off, it's that manipulation in the charts. Because let's see, NQ right now, my NQ on my trading view is at, let me see, hold up. NQ. Yeah, my NQ on my trading view, we at 22,305. But on Top Step, we're at 2,522. So we already got a 200-point gap automatically. But does that mean oh, the charts don't look the same? Nah, they're the same. It's just with that 200-point gap, there's going to be a very big manipulation in the chart system, which you're seeing. Which I'm saying, NQ hasn't reached all-time high, but on the Forex side, nigga, we're already at all-time high. That's why we're moving the way we're moving. It's just the uptrend. It's the weird uptrend up until one day just be like, pew, just plummets. You know what I'm saying? You know how that joint goes, man. One day just get that plummet down and be like, what? But yeah, NQ's really already at all-time high. But you can still play the game cards right. But I feel like, to me, the only way you can play the cards right with NQ right now, you need news. You need news to move the market a certain direction so you can react whichever way you want to react.
Oh no.
You getting cranked?
Powell.
Powell? What Powell do? Oh, the Powell news just got wicked you in. I mean, cooked you. I told you, gotta be careful at 10 o'clock, baby. If you're not falling
One more time.
oh, that's horrible, Kim.
Oh yeah, forward testing.
That's not how you forward test.
Don't tell me how I'm doing.
Wow, now you don't want to listen. Okay.
Because I'm learning that. I can wait.
Okay. But you don't want to hear anything I have to say. You just say, oh, just leave me alone. I can't.
I didn't say leave me alone. I didn't say any of that. You're saying it.
Okay. Okie dokie. No, I take it back, Kim. You're right. Do you, bro. It takes you 20 years. Keep doing it. Wait, Jalen, how much your account up, bro? Or are you down? Or you still up a grand?
$3,170.
Awesome.
One trade away.
Let go. Me too, brother. I just need to make 3 grand. I thought today was the day. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm over here like, Dow's about to dump. I'm like, NQ is pumping. If NQ can dump, Dow's gonna dump. I'm gonna make some money on it, but that's not what the markets told me today.
You gotta be careful because this news is out and they want you nothing crazy.
I'll be honest. I think, damn, I got a journal this month. Yeah, as soon as this month is over, I'm a journal. But yeah.
But the news is negative. It hit negative. That's why we got that spike up and then now we're going down.
Oh yeah, we're negative on the new home sales. But let's see though.
Now we're going down for a brief second. I can see that right now.
Just because Jalen said we're going down, I'm taking a short.
I'm not taking it right now. I'm gonna wait till this thing kind of sleeps and then take it.
Taking a short.
Because we still have to break that low. for us to be on a real for us to go down.
One micro. Is this smart?
Hmm.
Oh yeah, no, it's smart. It's smart. Never mind, I take it back. It's smart. I got a game plan. We're gonna. Dang, the risk on this trade is stupid. Yeah, I can't lose this trade, bro. I gotta be at least up $100 today. Yeah, it might be $100 day, bro. I gave it like 45 minutes. If I don't see nothing, just call it a day. I don't even try to camp this joint out anymore. Damn, Jelly the only nigga joining today? It's like everybody joined differently. If you don't, I think, yeah, if you don't join, it'd be like Rob or Kobe. Like, Kobe blew his account, so that nigga not joining. I ain't even see Spence in this bitch. At least Marcus back. Damn, zero views. Come on, sell off. One micro. I think that is the NQ sell. Yeah. Need NQ to go all the way back down to at least the 382 levels.
Alright, what did I learn today? I'll write this down.
Did you make money?
Yeah.
How much you up?
$37.
$37. She's up, she says.
After being down like $400.
After
Yeah, in 3 trades.
going nowhere in the trade. Micro Dow was pumping back up. We'll take a $20 loss. Yeah, my last trade.
If we fly, I should have held. Here I go again.
Wow, what you beat? Oh my god. How many trades so far, Kim?
3 or 4 trades.
That's what I've heard. Order filled so many times.
It was the same setup.
Okay. That's what I like to hear.
Yeah, it was 4 gold trades.
4?
1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, if I just left my original trade.
Come on, activate, bro. She ain't even pee again. That's the same diaper from the other day. You be giving her new ones. I said my time.
I actually made actual profit today. Oh,
Dang, go rejected off my levels. Why would you get in right now if you're already late to the scene?
There was no setup.
Oh, no, I was talking to my girl.
Oh.
He tweak, flying gold over there.
I'm not fighting. I'm going in one direction.
You're fighting
on
it.
the same setup. Like, you sound stupid.
Sounds stupid. Lily, cut it out. Maybe I should have held. Try it again. Maybe I should have held. Try it again. Try it again. Damn, any more news today? 10:30 oil news.
No, that's it. After 10:30.
What's oil looking like? Oil's also choppy. Today's what, Wednesday?
I should never move my phone.
I just gotta make 2,700 and I'm done. We're funded to 150. Oh. Trading like this is actually annoying, but it pays off in the long run. Consistency is key. I got 30 minutes and I'm leaving. I'll come back around 1, 2. Damn, I really want us to drop. But if we do drop too, I don't even think we're even going to do a very big drop. This nigga deleted all his Instagram picture. I swear G's in the wrong field. Yeah, next I'm gonna buy an 100K account and hit that account aggressive. With my setups, it works. This is all a setup system thing. Like, this is how I know if he was really listening to me, right? I only lose money when I take impulse trades. Yeah. That's the only reason. Like every time I write it in my book, impulse. No. So like I think for a whole year, I was blowing accounts in news, guys. Word. I think Jalen also was blowing. Me and Jalen was blowing accounts to CPI.
You said what?
So remember. So you remember back in the days blowing all these accounts to CPI, bro?
Yeah.
Hey, we can't.
Down. There we go.
We can't do it.
I see there's a fair value gap at 30 minutes. And yeah, a lot of because of the fact that usually I was betting on CPI, but the real thing is like you want to trade after CPI because wherever market spikes to, you can go and retrace back up to either normal levels or higher. So I remember that.
Yeah. It took us some time.
With that, yeah.
Took us some time to realize, like, because we was just looking for that massive pump. You know what I'm saying? But the whole time, like you said, if we would just waited patiently, and every time CPI come through, there's always a reversal. We would just see that massive candle and be like, damn, it would be nice to be in that massive candle and be done for the day. Like, On my
That's what
journal,
you
it
think,
literally
bro.
says, do not, nigga, rule number 1, do not trade CPI. Rule number 2, never get into a trade at 9 o'clock a.m. or p.m. Follow the plans, no over leveraging. Yeah, broke that rule so many times. Wait for the setup. We always wait for the setup. Two trades per setup. Makes sense. 2 trades per day. Do not trade with other people. Always wait for the retest to confirm. Do not trade CPI. Lost too many times. Here we go.
30-minute fair value. So what I'd be looking for, I'm looking for what's gonna be off this 30-minute.
There we go.
We in a room.
We're
Alright,
selling. We making money. We making money.
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Want me to teach you all your flaws?
Bobby.
Wow, you don't even want to listen to me, bro. That's why you're gonna fail.
Okay. My biggest hater. I love you.
I love you.
My D1 hater.
I'm telling you.
Haters like you that keeps me going.
Like I used to write down like what I wanted to see before it happens.
Oh yeah, you don't even do that no.
Not yet because I don't trade because I'm gonna go this weekend. I'm gonna go back to GBP, USD, USD CAD.
Oh, FX pairs.
Yeah, all my FX pairs. Babes, that all trade I caught, literally, we was back testing on the weekend, and we had a whole game plan. Damn, NQ's going crazy right now.
Long.
Shorts. I wouldn't have got it in. I'm just saying it's going crazy. There wasn't no setup for me on a short end position.
Be careful. I think this might be the buyback.
Oh yeah. I already took partials for my what's it called, for my Dow trade. It doesn't matter. I ain't trading NQ, brother. I haven't traded NQ in like what? I ain't trading NQ in like 2 weeks. I haven't traded NQ since we hit all-time high range. Let me see. Literally, what day was this? Yep, I haven't traded NQ at all this whole week. I marked it off, and I just put it on the Discord for everybody, but I don't trade NQ.
Look like we trying to go back to our opening, and if not, it is set up for a sell back down to the opening. 12 o'clock. I see that off that 15. See if we gonna break down.
That wouldn't be none of my folks. Even D couldn't do that.
Yeah, that was special one.
D, right?
No.
Oh, the PB.
Yeah. Oh man.
Damn, 2024. Best date to trade, Tuesday night setup, wake up 6 a.m. in the morning, 10 a.m. volatility, Tuesday and Wednesday. Never do what you think the market's going to do, just do what the market wants to do. No cap, no cap. Three. Damn, that's a year ago. Rule, stop over trading. Bro, that's still my biggest thing till today. Stop over trading. One trade when you wake up at 6 a.m. and one trade at 8 p.m. Do not trade with other folks. 6 a.m. I know, Cap, like trading with folks back in the days used to like mess up my psychology. But now, all those years of failures, nigga, if I see a direction, I wanna gamble on the opposite direction, or my direction. 6 a.m. to 12 one trade. Realistically, I should be making 2 trades only every day, which I do sometimes. My daily goals. Oh yeah, my high risk pips. We should be making a good goal amount. 6 pips, 3K with a 5 lot. No cap. Risking 1,500. 3 pips. It's not bad. That's a one to win. Yeah. Last year my goal was to make 15K a week. And that's why I was full pouring all this shit. Trade US30 for 1 month, trade NAS for 1 month, and trade gold for 1 month. Lose day, over this day, over this. Took the biggest loss, blew 2 accounts. Why? Because I did not want to be wrong. Damn. Damn. Took too many high leverage trades. Damn.
Wow. Damn. Telling us everything about you over there.
Then guess what? Next, a whole month later,
Same shit.
traded CPI and I lost the account. Sheesh. Was over planning next.
Hey, Bobby, I'll be back on in a second. I'll make sure.
Alright, send them all. Yeah, if you don't see me here, bro, I'm gonna just be off. Just text me on the Discord. Alright, brother.
Sing the song, Lily. Sing the song for Daddy. He liked that song.
If there's a plan, lay it out. All you need is one shot. One shot. So stop fucking over trading. Less of the market and stay with the plan.
Spunky. Hey, Lily. How you feeling, Lily? What? I'm annoying you? Okay. Okay, I'll be quiet.
In the morning.
In the morning? Oh, good morning.
Really?
You didn't say good morning to you?
I didn't say good morning. Good morning, Lily. Hey, baby, how you sleep? You sleep good? Yeah. You had a good dream? What you dream about? Tell me. Who was in your dream?
Daddy.
That was in your dream? Daddy was in your dream too? Mom! Mom they are. Everybody was in your dream. Yay. I hate when y'all get teeth. They don't have that brainy breath no more. Your breath smell nasty. It's really just your tongue. Yeah. You love me? You love me? Wow, your chin healed up good. I thought you was gonna have a scar.
There's just a little one though.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
It was bad at first. I was like, oh my gosh, my baby got a scar.
You're gonna have that
For life. Cause I was like, all I was thinking was, nigga, your chin doesn't peel off. So I was like, how is that gonna build new layer of skin?
It does.
It did though, by itself. Yeah, it did by itself. You see Dio's lips? Like every time she breaks out, her lips just creates a new layer of fresh skin. That'd be so what? That'd be her real skin.
Her real complexion.
Her real complexion. Before the burn.
Why you saying
Did I get cooked, Lily?
No, you didn't.
Mom cooked? Yeah. When she teeth? Mom didn't floss, kid. She said she brushed her teeth.
Yeah, I didn't floss.
That's why your breath smell nasty.
She said she did.
No, Mom gotta floss your teeth this morning. I gotta take a poop. Look at your, like, Lily, when I tell you you're so pale, I can see all your face veins, bro.
Except face it.
Stop. What happened? Baby, what you doing is not appropriate. But when you're a kid, all that rolls out the window. Like, why are you putting your butt in my face, bro? That is inappropriate, really. Like, what if you drop a... Yeah, that's not inappropriate, you know what I'm saying? The daddy gonna have to smell all that, bro.
It'll be stinky.
Why? I love you, princess. No. No. Oh, snap. Let me end the stream. Ugh.
No french fries? Yeah. No french fries?